Hello student, this video is about your entrance examination for 3 years LLB course in Burdwan University. As I have posted earlier a video on English grammar, this is the continuation of that series. In the coming 4 days I will be completing your English syllabus and I will try to also give update about the current affairs portion too in my videos if I get time. So this is the second video I am giving. In this video we will be studying about articles and I will give you the rules regarding articles. So let's start. Articles are demonstrative. A and D, the three articles categorized as definite and indefinite. So what are the indefinite articles? So indefinite articles a and an means these two articles do not specify anything, but definite article is the means it refers to a person or a thing. So if we come to the uses of a, so we can see here that before a countable noun, countable singular noun, so before a countable singular noun we can use a box. So this means the noun which we can count, so a countable singular noun, so that against that we can use a, like a man, a book, a house. Before now before expression which refer to countable things, so there are some expression which refers to a countable thing. So in that case also we can use indefinite article a, like a 100, a kilo. Now coming to third one, to give the sense of one occasional, a sense of many. So he is a doctor, he did not speak a word, means to give a sense of one, to give a sense of one. So here what is, we can see he is a doctor, it is giving a sense to one, he is a doctor. What he is a doctor. Now next, occasionally a sense of many, so he did not speak a word. So this thing, against this thing also we can use a word, a article. Before, now before a proper noun to make it a common noun, before a proper noun to make it a common noun we can use a David is needed to fight this Goliath. So a can be also used before a proper noun to make it a common noun. So proper noun is there, to make it a common noun we can use a. Idiomatically few and little we can use a few coins, a little fame. In exclamatory sentence we can also use a, like what a pretty or what a grand procession. So here a use is. Okay. Now coming to the next, when referring to a special meal for celebrating. So if we are referring to a special kind of meal for celebrating something, then we can use a, like a lunch was given in his honor. So a lunch was given for his honor, means in his honor. Okay. What a grand dinner. So to refer a special meal for celebration, a can be used. Now usage of an. Note is that the letter a, e, I, o, u are vowel, the rest of the alphabet are consonant. So before vowel an can be used. So usage of an is similar to that of a, so it is very much similar to that of a. Okay, the usage of an but varies in the following respect, but it is similar to that of a, but it varies in following respect. In what respect? An is used before a word starting with a vowel. So I have told you earlier that where there is a vowel, before that you can use an ass, an egg, an orange, an interesting idea, an omelette, an umbrella. Now one more thing we have to keep in mind, that words that are pronounced with vowel sound. So some of the words that are pronounced with vowel sound of u are preceded by an. So an umbrella, an uncle. Okay, so these things will be accompanied by an. Okay, the words that are pronounced with consonant sound of u are preceded by a. So the word which are pronounced with consonant sound, so this word will sound like consonant of u, that will be preceded by a. So a university, they will be giving you error correction. Okay, in the entrance examination ওখানে কি করবে, এরর কারেকশান দেবে, সেই এরর কারেকশানে দেখবে যে এইগুলো দিচ্ছে, কারণ এই জিনিসগুলোই পার্টিকুলারলি যারা বেঙ্গলি মিডিয়ামের স্টুডেন্ট বা ইংলিশ মিডিয়ামের স্টুডেন্ট ভুল করে থাকে। মানে দেখবে তোমাকে ইউ দিয়ে দিচ্ছে ইউনিফর্ম, তোমরা ভাববে ইউনিফর্ম আছে তাহলে অ্যান লিখে দিই, তাহলে ওখানটা ভুল হয়ে যাবে, কিন্তু ওখানে ইউনিফর্মের আগে অ্যান হবে না, ওখানে কী হবে, এ হবে। সো ইন দ্যাট কেস হেয়ার অ্যান ইউনিভার্সিটি হবে না, অ্যান union and uniform, you cannot say like, you cannot write like that, you have to write a union, a uniform. Okay, next হচ্ছে similarly an is also used before silent h, an hour, an honest man. So here there is a silent of h, silent of h, টা কিন্তু এখানে মানে যখন আমি বলছি শোনা যাচ্ছে না, এই সময় কিন্তু এইগুলোতে কি হবে, অ্যান বসবে, অ্যান আওয়ার, অ্যান অনেস্ট ম্যান। However, when h is aspirated, a is used, a house, not an house. ওকে, তাহলে এই জিনিসগুলো কিন্তু খুব মাথায় রাখবে। যেমন এই আমি যেটা বললাম, এইখান থেকেই কিন্তু ওরা কী দেয়, স্পট দ্য এরার, এখান থেকে দিয়ে দেবে, একটা সেন্টেন্স দিয়ে দেবে, দেখবে এখানে লেখা আছে অ্যান হাউস, তাহলে ফাইন দ্য এরার, তাহলে এরারটা কিন্তু এইখানে, হাউসের আগে কিন্তু এ হবে, এটা মাথায় রাখতে হবে, ঠিক আছে, আর্টিকেল। এবার নেক্সট যাচ্ছি আমরা, ইট ইজ অলসো ইউজড বিফোর শর্ট ফর্ম বিগিনিং উইথ এফ ই এইচ এল এম এন আর এস অ্যান্ড এক্স, এটাও মাথায় রাখতে হবে। এইখানে যেই শর্ট ফর্মগুলো থাকবে, কিছু শর্ট ফর্ম আছে যেগুলো স্টার্ট হবে কি দিয়ে, এফ ই এইচ এল এম এন আর এস এক্স, ঠিক আছে, সেইখানে কী হবে, অ্যান এম এ, অ্যান LLB, দেখেছো, তাহলে এই জিনিসটাও মাথায় রাখতে হবে, এইখান থেকেও এরার কারেকশান আসে। আমি এই নিয়মগুলো পড়াচ্ছি তার কারণ হলো এইখান থেকে এরার কারেকশান দিচ্ছে, আমরা আগে আর্টিকেল পড়বো, তারপর প্রোনাউন এগুলো দেখবো, নাউনটা দেখবো, আর তারপর টেন্সটা দেখবো, তাহলে আশা করছি তোমাদের মোটামুটি তোমরা ক্র্যাক করতে পারবে। যদি এই পোর্শনগুলো করে থাকো ইংলিশে, তাহলে মোটামুটি ইজি ক্র্যাক করাটা। আর তার সাথে সাথে আমি জিকেরও চেষ্টা করব নোটগুলো আপলোড করে দেওয়ার, বা আমার যে টেলিগ্রাম চ্যানেল আছে সেটাতেও তোমরা জয়েন করতে পারো, ওই পিডিএফগুলো পেয়ে যাবে তাহলে এই নোটের। নেক্সট হচ্ছে ইউজেস অফ দ্য, উইথ থিংস হুইচ আর ওয়ান ইন ইউনিভার্স। সো দ্য থিংস হুইচ আর ওয়ান ইন ইউনিভার্স, in universe there is only one thing like that, the earth, the moon, the human race. So there is only one earth, there is only one moon, so against those things thou will be used. Next uses when a particular thing is distinguished from other thing. The man who was talking to you was a politician. So এখানে কি করছি, when a particular thing is distinguished from other thing, we are here distinguishing one particular thing from another thing. So in that distinction thou will be used. So we can see the man who is talking to you was a politician, the book you gave me was boring. Now next, with the superlative degree, with the superlative degree thou will be used, the best book, the best school. Okay, before the name of rivers, before the name of rivers, sea, mountain, country, musical instrument, historical documents, war, etc., thou will be used, like the Himalayas, the Indian Ocean, the Ganges, the Constitution, the Upanishads, the Trojan War, the first chapter, the Second World War. So before these things, the will be used. Before double comparative, so double comparative also takes the, okay, definite article. The more the merrier, okay, the more the merrier. So double comparative is here. Now next is before adjective used to represent a class of person. So adjective that is representing a class of person will take the definite article. The rich, the young, okay. Now there are some words, omission of articles. Do not use articles before those words. Which are those words? Before abstract noun such as honesty, fear, virtue. A fear of death haunted him. So a will be omitted, okay. You cannot use a before a abstract noun. So fear of death haunts him. Fear of death haunted him, okay. Before name of meal like lunch, breakfast, dinner, unless we are talking about special or specific meal. So we have seen this where we can use a article. So here we can see that when referring to special meal for celebration, a lunch was given in his honor. So we can use a. But when meal like lunch, breakfast, dinner, unless we are talking about special thing or special meal, we cannot use article. I will meet you for a lunch. So I will meet you for a lunch. You have to keep in mind this is not specific or special type of meal. So you cannot use article before it. They can give also error correction from here. These are the common thing from where they give error correction. So I will meet you before lunch. So I will meet you before lunch. So a, there will be no a. Now next is before name of language and games. I play a cricket with my friends. I play a cricket with my friends. So you cannot use article a before language or games. So it will be like I played cricket with my friends. You cannot write like that, I play cricket with my friends. So you have to write I play cricket with my friends. When a name is prefixed to the name of a book. So when a name is prefixed to the name of a book, you cannot write the Valmiki's Ramayana. The Valmiki's Ramayana. You cannot write like that. You have to write Valmiki's Ramayana. Okay. Before word like heaven, paradise or nature, space, God, you cannot use any article. Okay. So these are the things you have to keep in your mind while doing error correction. And just when you are doing error correction, just keep your mind very calm, okay, because error correction, you read that sentence 2-3 times, then you will find that there is some error. They also keep some sentence in that there is no error to distract the student. Keep in mind that also, okay. Problem in use of articles. So there are some problem in use of articles. There are some rules I will be telling you, okay. The first rule is that indefinite article a and is used before singular noun which is countable, as well as with a noun complement, as a terrorist has been killed with an encounter. So with a noun complement as well as with a noun complement. A water pump is a must in a house. A water pump is a must in a house in Rajasthan. Like they can also give like this sentence. Water connection is a must in a house in Rajasthan. Find the error. Find the error. Then you can find the error A. As I have told you earlier, before there are some words where H is pronounced. So before that there will be no. However, when there are H is aspirated, A is used, okay, not an, okay. So here will be that here will be that an, okay, an, A will be there, okay. A house, a water pump is a must in a house in Rajasthan. they can like that, give like that, an house, then you have to write a. Okay. Now next is an indefinite article a or an is necessary in expressing referring to number, speed, price and frequency, as a kilo of sugar, a dozen of orange. So indefinite article a and is necessary in expressing referring to number, speed, price and frequency. This is rule 2. Rule 3 is that sometimes the use of indefinite articles before and after certain adjective change the very sense of the word. মানে এখানে বলছে কোনো অ্যাডজেক্টিভের আগে বা পরে যদি তুমি কোনো সময় আর্টিকেল ইউজ করে থাকো, ইনডিফিনাইট আর্টিকেল, মানে এ অ্যান হলো ইনডিফিনাইট আর্টিকেল, তাহলে কি করে সেই মানেটা চেঞ্জ করে দেয় অনেক সময়, দ্য ভেরি সেন্স অফ দ্য ওয়ার্ডটার মানেটা চেঞ্জ করে দেয় যার আগে ইউজ হচ্ছে বা পরে ইউজ হচ্ছে। ফর এক্সাম্পল, if we take the use of before the adjective few, little, slight, etc. change the very meaning of the expression. Few means nearly nothing, but a few means some. তাহলে বুঝতে পারছো, few মানে nothing মানে কিছুই নেই, কিন্তু a few means some. Note the following illustrations. Okay, he has little time to spare means no time to spare. He has a little time to spare, যদি এরকম লেখা থাকে মানে তার কাছে কিছু সময় আছে স্পেয়ার করার, কিন্তু হি হ্যাজ লিটল টাইম টু স্পেয়ার মানে তার কাছে কোনো টাইমই নেই স্পেয়ার করার জন্য। রুল 4, ডেফিনাইট আর্টিকেল দি ইজ ইউজড উইথ থিংস হুইচ আর ওয়ান only, for example the moon, the earth, the sky, the north pole, the prime minister, the president. In other words, the noun which are single out one individual or things. Okay, এটা rule 4. Rule 5, definite article the is used before superlative as also before only when it is used as an adjective. This is only reason. Okay, now next, this is the biggest blunder you may have made. This is the only purpose of my visit. Okay, now rule 6, coming to rule 6. Rule 6 is that the is used before names of periodicals, newspapers. Okay, what periodicals, newspapers, name of important buildings, before name of rare unique object, name of river, ocean, bay, mountain, religious group, community, institution, etc. I have read this news in the Tribune, বা in the Times of India, বা in the আনন্দবাজার পত্রিকা, the earth revolves round the sun, heavenly bodies. Okay, the Taj Mahal is located at Agra, important or rare building. The Hajardwari is located in Murshidabad. So the here is used because it is an important or rare building. The Nasipur Rajbati is located in Murshidabad. Same thing, the Ganges is the largest river in India. So before river the is used, I have earlier said. Similarly, definite article the is used before the name of the book, the Bible, the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, the autobiography of Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, so before these books name the will be used. Definite articles, rule 7, the is used before word pointing out class or a kind of things. I have earlier told you this. It is sometimes done by using before an adjective to represent the whole class. Okay, the crow is a clever bird. The crow is a clever bird. The young will have to shoulder the responsibility means all the young means this sentence means all the crows. Okay, so these are the rules regarding article. In the next video I will be uploading another rules for error correction. Okay, so assignment is this, you will do by your own this assignment, and if you have any doubt regarding this assignment then join my Telegram channel. I will be posting its answer there. Okay, so this much for this video. I will be uploading another video in the meantime. So keep watching my video, and if you like my video then please subscribe and share with your friends.